Welcome. My name is Glenn Lewis, and I've been in the oil and gas field for over 25 years. I worked in many countries as a welder and a welding technician, and I've also been a CWI certified welding inspector since 1996, and also I'm a certified welding educator, and I teach numerous classes at the local college, which also include inspection classes. Here recently, I've been asked a lot of questions about the requirements to become a CWI. So in the following lectures, I will outline the requirements, which will include the visual acuity test, the minimum education required, passport style color photo, application process, exam locations for 2016, exam instructions for 2016, the minimum scores required for passing. We will discuss the pricing and also the retest if required. Let's get started.